Hello, I am Praveen. I am from AttainU Robin batch. Uh, Now I'll be showing you the demo of my Python based project, that is Bitcoin price notification. So we can access this project using this link, or we can search over here like Bitcoin using IFTTT. So here is our link. Now what we will be doing is we will be copying this link and we will be installing. So here I am using REPL instead of command prompt, because to consume the time, as the command prompt takes so much time connecting to the request module. Here I am importing OS module to run the terminal based commands. So os.system will give to run commands. Like, what is the command? Then I am also uninstalling if any previously installed modules like Bitcoin in the name of Bitcoin. Then I am opening a terminal of Python. This can be done in command prompt also, but it takes a lot of time. So when I run, it will collect all the packages. Yeah. Now I will be importing my module. Let's refer the project. To import the module, we will be using import Bitcoin. So let's do that. No errors. That means our module is imported. Let's check the methods which and all are available. Now let's start from the last. Bitcoin.join channel to get Indian Bitcoin updates. It will ask for a name, then it will welcome us and it will show a link to join, which will take us to this page, this channel. So we can join this channel will send the latest updates and news of the Bitcoins. Now let's see another method, that is bitcoin.getPrice. So here it will ask for a country code. For example, say for USA the country code is USD, US dollars. So it will send. Now let's check for India, that is Indian rupees INR. Yeah, we got. Now let's check our main method, that is bitcoin.link telegram. So here you can link your telegram to get the latest Bitcoin. So here it will show the requirements before starting setting this server. So a IFTTT account is required, an applet created with webhooks and telegram services is required, then two events for emergency alert and normal alerts, and a suggested message format is also given. Like for normal alerts, Bitcoin alert is the header, then a new line, then for data, value 1 is the parameter. Then same for the emergency alert is the header, then new line, then again value 1. Now we have to enter a country code to set up your Telegram alerts. Like if you want to get the Indian Bitcoin alerts, we will be using INR. Let's go with Indian. Now it is asking for enter emergency threshold. So like if anywhere the price is dropped, it will, as soon as the price is dropped, it will send that notification to the, Telegram. For example, now let's say only 2000. Now it is asking for the event that we have created in IFTTT. Let's go to this thing. So these are our event name. This is for normal thing and this is for emergency threshold. So the event name is Bitcoin price. Make sure we enter a proper name. Now it is asking for emergency threshold name. So our emergency threshold name is Bitcoin threshold. So it is asking, now it is asking for the token which we got from webbooks. Now we'll go to webbook services, then go to settings, then take our token, copy it, paste it over here. Then it is asking for the interval time for alerts. Like it's if it is a 720 seconds, the alerts will be for every 1 hour. Like the Bitcoin will get the data from the URL for every 12 minutes. Now for just for the purpose of demo, I will be giving 5 seconds. Now it will take some time for our project to be getting linked. Once the FTT is linked, it will start the server. Then there will be a prompt to ask again whether to start the server or to just end the server. We are starting the server. Yeah, data is collected one time and there will be 5 seconds gap between each data collection. Once the server is started, until and unless we stop the server over here, we can't stop the server in that terminal. That is the drawback. See, once it is sent and we have received a new message, time is 11:22 and here the time is 11:22. This is for the regular updates. This is not an emergency one. If the price is dropped below 2000, it will send an emergency alert twice. I'm ending the server. Now I'm rechecking the server to check whether it will send emergency alert or not. Again, same. Import Bitcoin. Yeah, no errors. Then from the Bitcoin, use Telegram service. Now we'll be using INR again. As we already know the least price, so we can use that as a threshold. So the least price is 4,84,442. Now we'll be giving 5 lakh. Yeah, I think it's 5 lakh. Now enter the event name that we, yeah, as we remember, our event name was Bitcoin price. Then for the threshold, event name was Bitcoin threshold. Then our IFTTP token was like we have already copied. Just paste it. Then here I am giving 10 seconds interval. Project is getting created. If any of these inputs are given wrong, the server will start, but the message will not come. If these inputs are given wrong, the, the console will show the inputs as valid and the server will get terminated. Let's start. See, we have received one. As soon as the price is dropped, it will send alert. Again, one more is. Yeah, this is what my demo is. Thank you.